Hello, we're back again. Another adventure, another crazy Friday afternoon. So we come home from work and we had camper pretty much stocked now. We're keeping stuff in there, so we grabbed some clothes and a couple of odd end things and grabbed Lucy. Say hey, Lucy.
I love Lucy.
Our travel cat.
Yes.
Lucy, the travel cat. And so now we are headed back to Virginia, one of our now becoming favorite places where our future home site will be, and we're just checking in, so it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a little bit of an adventure this weekend. We left in the rain, it was pouring down rain, and now we got blue skies.
We're hoping that there's no rain when we set up.
Yes, hopefully there's no rain when we set up, and we'll find out. So the sun has really come out. We went from pouring down rain to cloudy, beautiful skies. As we're riding up here, the haze is lifted and you can just see the mountains. It's pretty, very, very pretty. So we're having this discussion. I'm curious, what do you think? So we're discussing if we change our domicile to Florida or Tennessee for tax purposes when we retire, you don't pay the state income tax. There's other, there's pros and cons to it. But where would you rather live? In Tennessee or Virginia? Virginia, which is where we're building a house, will be very expensive. So that'll be more of a, I don't know. But Florida or Tennessee, where would you rather live? So what is your thoughts there?
Sorry, Floridians, but I don't really desire the humidity, the heat, the lack of seasons that Florida offers. So I would be more drawn to Tennessee.
Tennessee? I'm like either one. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? That's nice. Yay! It's like our Virginia home away from home. It's campground. It's a great family. These people up here are super nice, and so we are back. And guess what? We are going to our property, and I don't know if we will actually get anything done, but we might delimb some trees.
Make some piles.
Yeah, but we're gonna have fun and just hang out up here in the mountains this weekend and see what happens. I ain't gonna tell you what she just said, but we arrived, and this hot, and it's so pretty, and we're like up here under the tree line this time. So we got a view. We got a dumpster, but nah, right here. And we literally just pulled up, rolled the window down, and you can feel the breeze. The breeze is just feels so nice. Such a nice place.
I was telling him that the weather here is far superior than what we'd be experiencing in Florida right now.
Yeah.
Than the breeze.
Yeah, it's so pretty up here.
Unless you're in a storm.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we don't want no trees falling.
No, I mean in Florida. If
no
you're
hurricanes.
in a storm, then you've got the cooler breeze.
Oh,
but
yeah, that's true.
you don't really want to be in that.
No, so we're gonna get set up, and I may take some more video, but we're gonna go get some food at this little restaurant around the corner. They got a killer chicken salad, like a salad with chicken. It's really good. It's pretty yummy. So you can't pick up on it. Oh, you can see a little bit.
Moving.
Yeah, you can see our hair moving a little bit, but the wind is blowing through the truck. We got the windows down, and it was so nice. This is our site for the weekend, under the trees, and look out here across the field. Back to our favorite place in the world. Oh look, yeah, nice. That's cool.
You can't see the far distance because of the clouds.
They go up and turn back around. Oh, that's pretty though.
Those trees have to go. And those.
Let's go back and turn around. All right, so now I was turn around, come back around. Let's see what this. The sun is out. So pretty. So where we cut those trees down, that's looking pretty good. We were up here about 3 weeks ago, I want to say. I'm gonna walk over in the shade just a little bit so I can see the screen. I can't see the screen of the phone. There we go. So yeah. So those are the stumps. We stacked up all these big piles of limbs, and look, the leaves have already died. That's great. Those trees that we toppled have already, they're dying. That's great. So we'll end up with these logs that we'll cut the limbs off and drag those out and stack them up. And this big tree right there. So, nice. You can see way over there. It's like where the mountains meet the clouds. That's where we are. Quarter. Oh look. It's like check him out. He's like, what the world? That's a big buck.
Look there, look Jack, they're all crossing the road right there. You
As clouds are going down the mountain, and the cloud, we're descending into the clouds. So cool. Now we're coming out of the clouds. That's kind of cool. They're above us. Pilot Mountain, the top of it is in the clouds. Home, sweet future home. Oh,
There's
look.
a truck right there.
Yeah.
Are they working on the gate?
It might be.
Ooh.
It might be. Nice.
There's nobody in the truck.
Yeah, he's coming down the mountain with them. Probably.
Lowe's Farms.
Yeah. Yep, rest is a secret. You got secret squirrel stuff happening there. Ah, so pretty. We got the trees we cut down 3 weeks ago. All the leaves are dead. We got a little stump field going on. Then we're gonna take out those. Take out those. Take out this cluster here.
And all the way down.
And that group. And then we'll have a view from all the way across. It'll be great. So, very pretty. And that's what our view looks like. The camera makes it look really far away, but this is right about right there. That's pretty much what we see with our own eyes from this location. So pretty. Some of the haze lifted.
It's like hovering.
Yeah, that thing's nice. I like that.
I'm sure you do.
That's an 80 size excavator.
It's just got a mulcher on it.
Yeah.
Now, is that a forestry mulcher?
No, that's a bush hog, like cutter.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I like it. It'll take down all the little trees.
Yeah, but it'd be very difficult to get it on the property.
Yeah. We're just saying we need one of those. That's an 80 size excavator. And I think we're looking at 50 size ones, 10,000 pound ones. But yeah, give one of them. You can do a lot with that. So we're up here and it's raining and the clouds are coming in. This is neat.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah, got it.